This free step-by-step video comes to you directly from Haynes. You can complete more than 200 jobs on this vehicle when you purchase the complete Haynes online manual at haynes.com.
Open the passenger's door and pull the bonnet release handle. Lift the bonnet slightly, then pull the safety catch lever and fully open the bonnet. Unclip the safety prop from the slam panel and engage the end with the holes on the bonnet underside. The engine oil level dipstick and filler cap are brightly coloured for easy identification. Pull out the dipstick, wipe it clean, then fully reinsert it. Withdraw the dipstick again and examine the oil level. If the level is below or near the minimum mark, topping up is necessary. Rotate the oil filler cap anti-clockwise and remove it. Using a funnel to reduce spillage, add the correct grade of oil as necessary to bring the level up to the maximum mark on the dipstick. Add the oil a little at a time, checking the level frequently. Do not overfill. With the level correct, securely refit the filler cap. The coolant expansion tank is located on the right-hand side of the engine compartment. The maximum and minimum level marks are indicated on the side of the tank. If topping up is necessary, slowly rotate the filler cap anti-clockwise to allow any residual pressure to escape. Add a 50-50 mixture of antifreeze and water to bring the level up to the maximum mark. Securely refit the filler cap. The brake fluid reservoir is located at the rear of the engine compartment. The fluid level must be kept between the maximum and minimum marks at all times. If topping up is necessary, clean the top of the reservoir and unscrew the filler cap. Add only new DOT4 fluid from a sealed container. Securely refit the filler cap. The power steering fluid reservoir is located on the right-hand side of the engine compartment. With the engine turned off and the wheels in the straight ahead position, the fluid level should be between the maximum and minimum marks. If topping up is necessary, clean the top of the reservoir, then unscrew the filler cap. Add the correct grade of fluid to bring the level up to the maximum mark. Securely refit the filler cap. The screen wash fluid reservoir filler cap is located at the front of the engine compartment. Prise up the cap and add a mixture of screen wash additive and water. Press down the cap. Detach the end of the prop from the bonnet and clip it into place on the slam panel. Close the bonnet firmly and check it's secure.